I'm outside. It's supposed to be a pretty good thunderstorm tonight. Hail, flash floods, 45-mile-per-hour winds. So it says P to marble size heavy hail. So that should be interesting. A little bit of lightning already, but hasn't quite started yet. It's cloudy. There's my hunk of shit. Yeah, she gets me around. Like I said, today's economy, I gotta get something to drive. So, life ain't that great on unemployment. It's not. It pays the bills, and that is it. I got turned down for state assistance. Say I make too much money. No. How do you make too much money when you draw less than half of what your average income was on unemployment? I got turned down because I'm a middle-aged, healthy, white male. That's why I got turned down. So, fuck them. But I went from having a 2000 Explorer and a 99 Pontiac Grand Am to a 1990 Cadillac Seville. $350. Can't beat it. One owner, old people. So it sat for like 5 years. Fired right up though. That's right. It's a Cadillac. Well, I don't guess it's gonna start yet. It says from 10:30 till 11:15 Eastern Standard Time, that is. But nothing yet. My damn battery light's flashing. Fuck. Peace.